Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn accounting software. First, identify your specific business requirements, whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise. Next, explore popular software options like QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks. Many providers offer free trials, typically for 30 days, allowing you to test features without commitment. This initial step is crucial for finding the best fit. Once you've chosen your software, focus on mastering its core features. Begin by setting up your chart of accounts, which is fundamental for organizing financial data. Practice entering various transactions, such as creating invoices, recording payments, and managing expenses. Regularly reconciling your bank accounts is also vital to ensure all your financial records are accurate and up to date, preventing discrepancies. After grasping the basics, delve into more advanced functions. Explore features like payroll processing, if applicable, and inventory management for businesses with physical products. Learn to generate essential financial reports, including profit and loss statements and balance sheets, which provide valuable insights. Also, familiarize yourself with the software's tax preparation capabilities to streamline your annual filings and ensure compliance. Learning accounting software is an ongoing process. Make use of the extensive online tutorials, webinars, and community forums provided by software vendors. These resources offer solutions to common issues and tips for efficiency. Consider pursuing certification programs to enhance your skills and credibility. Staying updated with software updates and new features will ensure you're always leveraging the most current tools available.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.